friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENDORFY's new Regnum 400 Air and Regnum 400 ARGB cases. So friend, ENDORFY has announced these two brand new Regnum 400 PC cases which focus on high airflow and clean appearance. So friend, the Regnum 400 Air aims the ultimate coolings and comes with 4 pre-installed Stratus 120 PWM case fans, while the Regnum 400 ARGB is using 4 ARGB-enabled Stratus 120 PWM fans. And friend, with the new series, users can build system that is just look cool but we are well equipped with cool latest hardware. And friend, up to 8 fans can be installed in Regnum 400 Air and Regnum 400 ARGB to further maximize the cooling capacity. And friend, thanks to the big tempered glass side panels, users get a great view on components and the ARGB backlit core of the system in case of Regnum 400 ARGB version. And friend, with the new Regnum 400 series, users won't have to worry about system overheating, and 4 pre-installed Stratus 120 PWM fans are forming the basis for solid cooling. And friend, 3 of the fans are located in the front and the 4th in the back of the chassis. And friend, this allows for an inaudible steady flow of performance, driven airflow when needed. And friend, these quiet heroes run on robust fluid dynamic bearing and can be controlled through a PWM single form 1.400 down to 200 RPM. And the Regnum 400 series was designed with super airflow in mind. And friend, the ENDORFY utilized a huge mesh front panel and magnetic mesh dust filter in the top. An additional fan can be installed to further boost the airflow, making it the even more versatile. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.